don't think I'm looking at a TV or something.
Oh, you're good. I'd be looking at a TV too.
2 screens. That's pretty fancy.
Yeah, I'm at my wife's work, so I'm on her boss's computer.
There.
So
Okay.
2 screens. So fancy.
That's why we see your face.
Yeah, here, look. The camera's not long enough. I can't show you my setup. It's okay. Come on. Okay, there we go. Back to normal.
Is this lesson 23?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right, I'm in.
All right.
Yes.
So for 1 and 2, I put true.
That's good, Taylor. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, thank you. So the null hypothesis is when beta sub 1 equals 0, and the alternative hypothesis is beta sub 1 does not equal 0. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So I'm not quite sure what residual mean. Like, did we read about that?
Yeah, the residual is the difference between the observed value of y and the value predicted by the regression line. It's C.
Okay.
In your Excel thing, when you have linear, on your linear regression page, it has a list of residuals, which that's all it is. Yeah.
Okay. Question 5, a plot of residual supports using linear regression when
So there's like 2 answers that could work. One is that the residuals are normally distributed, which is A. And the other one is that the scatter plot is like random. You don't want it to have any pattern. And that's not on there, so I'm assuming it's A.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure if you just scatter plotted a bunch of residuals, they'd be completely random. Yeah. All right, cool. Yep, I think it's A.
Okay. So for the next 8 problems, use the data found in the math self-efficacy Excel spreadsheet document thing. Use the confidence variable as the explanatory variable and the score variable as the response variable. Okay.
Copy and paste a whole bunch of stuff.
Wait, it's backwards.
It is backwards.
Gosh dang it.
It's really annoying, actually. Okay.
Okay. Compute the residuals for the data using software. What statements best describe the residuals?
Well, they're not all negative.
So the residuals are the points.
They're in column E.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, all right.
They all are between negative 40 and 25. That's accurate. I don't know what it means by the residuals form a linear pattern. Because when you put them on a scatter plot, they certainly don't do that,
So we're going with A.
I guess.
Based on the QQ plot for these residuals, what can you say about these residuals?
What if I don't want to QQ plot it?
Got to open up a different Excel spreadsheet for that.
That's why it's annoying. I'm so excited to review this course. I'm so excited. They're very much normal.
Oh, gosh dang, I hate when that happens.
When they're normal?
No, like every time I go to paste, it like pastes like the # ref and then gives me some stuff it doesn't like. And so it's like, I forget that I gotta do this. Oh, very, very normal. It like follows that line perfectly.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Create a scatter plot, give them the scatter plot, residuals.
Did you say they're fairly normal?
Yes, as opposed to right skewed or clearly not normal.
Yeah, I would have said that they're very normal though.
That's okay, it's not an option. Given the scatter plot, the residuals plot, and the QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied? There is a linear relationship. Wait, no, that doesn't have anything to do with the residuals.
The residuals are normally distributed. That's true.
The variance of the error term is consistent for all x values. That's true. I think A is also true, the linear relationship between x and y. I think when you scatter plot it, and it's just completely random scatter plot of the residuals, I think that's what that means. I think it's the first 3.
Okay. What is B1, the estimate of the slope?
12.695.
I also got that. The lower bound, 10 point, hang on, oh man, 10.674.
Yeah.
The upper bound is 14.715. And the p-value is like 0.
Pretty much.
So based on the evidence and using the level of significance of alpha equals 0.05, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test for beta1? Reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is less than alpha. I'm going with C.
Yep.
For hypothesis test of beta1, if you reject the null hypothesis, what does it mean?
It's D.
There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope is not 0 yet. All right, here we go with the estuarian crocodile. Is that what that says?
Yep. This one's not backwards when you copy and paste.
It what?
This one's not backwards when you copy and paste.
Thank goodness.
What is the dependent variable? Body length.
You can come in.
No, you can't.
Lies.
Just kidding. It's all good. Not my room.
Determine the margin of error.
I got 0.442.
We're working on it.
Work faster.
I got 0.443.
Mm. I got 0.442.
Well, let me try it again.
I'm gonna stick with 0.442. What's your confidence interval?
7.218 to 8.103.
Okay, me too.
So if I do 8.103 minus 7.218 divided by 2, I get 0.4425, which is 0.443.
I get 0.44244,
Oh, really?
but I do it different. Man, we're really splitting hairs here, aren't we?
Is there a way to extend how far out my decimal go? I don't
I did it your way, and I still got 0.4424.
know. What?
Just telling you that that's what I got.
I'm putting 0.443, and I'm gonna submit that. You submit 0.442.
I'm telling you, it's 0.442.
I don't know, man.
Now Spencer and Tyler over there like, I don't know what the crap to do. Lower bound 7.218.
Yep.
Upper bound 8.103.
Yep.
And
Okay, so
then
lower bound, upper bound for the last two problems. What can you say about beta sub 1? What?
I just submitted the quiz.
Did you pick
Dang
A
it.
for 18?
Yeah, I put A. Oh, what the crap?
What?
On question 5, I must have clicked somewhere off to the side, which allows you to change your answer. Because there's an answer on here that's different than what I said the answer was.
Is the answer the residuals look normally distributed?
I don't know. I just know I got it wrong because I said the residuals are all positive, which is like the stupidest thing ever.
Is that the only one you missed?
Yeah.
So you're saying that question 15 accepted 0.442?
It is. Yes. I got 1 out of 1.
I'm gonna submit mine. We'll see what happens.
I mean, he is the fearless leader.
Shut up.
What did you guys get on 16 for lower bound?
For 16, 7.218. So David, I got 18 out of 18 on.
So it accepted your answer too.
Yeah.
That's good. I'm glad. It's equal opportunity quiz. I'm gonna retake it again because it legitimately pissed me off that I got that wrong. So.
All right. So what's my part in this project you guys want me to do with the PowerPoint?
Yeah, the PowerPoint. Yep.
And is there something in iLearn that I can look at to get a?
I believe there is.
Yeah, in the class under content, there's a final project tab.
Yeah.
Under content, final
So
project.
underneath week 14 is final project.
I am in it, and I need to click on PowerPoint presentation instructions. Well, it's a whole Word document for me.
What's been doing, yeah.
Let's see.
And come on, there we go. Design the study, background information, include a brief but clear explanation of your project. What is the research questions? What is your populations? What is your samples? And those are all written down that sheet we already did, right?
Yeah, we can. So Taylor has the 3rd week done, pretty much.
I
Yeah.
do.
And I have a write-up of the second week of all the information that Tyler gathered that I want y'all to look at real quick before we head off this thing.
I'm going to share my screen with you so you guys can, or I guess I could just email this document to you. Which would you prefer?
You just share your screen, I think is easy. And then as soon as that's all done, we can email all those to you, Spencer, and then you can have all three of them.
And then I'll just slam it tonight, and then I'll send it to you guys, and you can tell me what's wrong.
Okay.
So this is what I got for the make inference and take action.
Hold on, I'm coming. I'm
Okay.
coming. I'm coming. There's so many Excel sheets open. Okay, you got our names down. Can I not be on top? I don't like that.
It's alphabetical.
You do realize that I like never put my name first on anything?
Yeah, but it starts with a C.
No, it starts with a D.
No, your last name, Caruth.
No matter how you cut it, you're going first.
Fine, shut up. Leave me alone. No, they just want me to be the fearless leader, and I do not want to be the fearless leader.
Are you talking to Renee?
Yeah.
So, do you guys want me to read this to you, or?
No, you can just, I think it looks good. I'm not worried about what you write in the words.
For some reason, it doesn't like how I spell gasolines. Gasolines? Is that even a thing? Yeah, so that's what I got. The action's kind of small, but I'm not sure what else to. So, the level of significance that we've been using most in the class is alpha equals 0.05. So I use that as well, and our p-value, though it's kind of small, is not that small, and so we did not. We failed to reject our null hypothesis. So the action pretty much says it doesn't matter what gas station you go to because the average prices are about the same.
I think that's fine. I think we'll get a bad grade on it just because it's us.
The better guess is gonna go to them.
All right.
Okay, I think
That
you're
was
good.
good to everybody?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you what I got over here.
Okay.
So mine's a little bit longer. Tyler, can you see this?
Yep.
So in here, this blue part, it asks questions about like, what did you learn while you collected the data? Describe how you collected it, what situations were not anticipated. So I didn't do any of that. You did all of that.
Okay. I can answer those questions.
Yeah, so I'll just, what's the best way to do this? I'll just email you this little prompt right here in blue. And then if you just want to answer and email it back, and then I'll fit it into this stuff.
All right, that's fine.
I have all of our data. And then it said it wanted 2 to 3 paragraphs to describe the data, but I just put like the means in there and the standard deviations and then 2 charts. And I don't really know what else to say about it. So,
Yeah.
so hopefully Tyler's little added thing up here will make it long enough that he appreciates what it is.
How long is it supposed to be?
Less than 2 pages. It will be less than 2 pages. Actually, with all the charts and stuff, it probably won't be, but.
Oh, that's a fun background you got there.
Oh, I'm still sharing. That's awesome. There you go. I emailed you, Tyler, so you can have that.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Me.
Whenever you get that done, just send it back, and then I'll turn that in if you guys are chill with that.
All right.
So I was telling Tyler this earlier, but I was just looking to see like where to submit my portion that I typed up,
Right.
and it's closed. Like I don't have access to it. So I emailed Adam, our TA,
Good.
and he said that he forwarded me the email that he sent to Brother Bennett about it. And so I'll let you know what happens when something happens. But as of tonight, it probably will not be submitted.
That's okay because it's
It
all
was
going to
due.
get in this week anyway.
So the last instruction for, I don't know how to share my screen like you guys did. The last
All the way over to the left, and then you click the green button.
you see that? So last instruction on this one says, be sure you don't crowd your PowerPoint to present it in class. I know we're not presenting it in class. So does that mean we have to make a recording, or we just submit the PowerPoint how it is?
I have no idea.
If it doesn't tell you you have to make a recording,
It doesn't.
That
I'm
might be
assuming-
what week 14's about, though.
Let's hope.
upload your work according to the instructions or locate the instructions. There's like a Dropbox to drop a PowerPoint in.
So it just must be just the PowerPoint itself then. Must not.
Collect and describe the data is still open, so I can turn that in whenever we get it done. And then as soon as I turn that in, I'll email it to you, Spencer, so you can have it when you do the PowerPoint.
That'd be great, because it's just basically reflecting everything you guys have already said.
Yeah.
So I just need to make it look pretty.
Yeah. And then Taylor can turn that in, and then we'll catch up, and we'll do the whole project in 3 days as opposed to 4 weeks like everyone else.
Cool. Well, then I'll just be on standby for that email then. Text me when it does come, though, so I don't forget about it.
All right, yeah, I'll text you as soon as I hear back from Tyler.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll get it done tonight. So
Cool. Awesome, guys. You're awesome.
See you later, alligators.
Peace
That's
out.
what it was, bro. I feel
I'm
weird.
gonna
Bye.
put a
See ya.